or uncomment multiple lines in Visual Studio. So the first thing you can do is select all the lines that you want to comment and then use the shortcut from this toolbar menu right here. This one right here will comment out the selected lines, and the next button to it here will undo that action. Now you can also use the shortcuts. If you selected multiple lines, you can hold down Ctrl plus K and then Ctrl plus C to comment out the commented lines, or uncomment them by Ctrl K and Ctrl U, depending on the hotkeys that you've assigned. You can assign hotkeys by going to Edit right here, and then going to Advanced, and then you want to look for Comment Selection, or comment or uncomment selection, in case these options do not show up on your toolbar. And to change the hotkeys, you want to go to Tools and then Options. And in the Options menu or the settings, you want to look for Keyboard. If you're using the latest Visual Studio version, you should be able to search. And then click on Keyboard here. Now you want to look for Comment Selection. So you can search for comment here in the search bar, and this should show you all the comment hotkeys. So you would usually look for edit.comment selection and edit.uncomment selection, or toggle block comment and toggle line comment. And then you want to assign a shortcut key for it. So for example, the Control and A, and then press assign, and that will assign it to this action right here. And then click on OK, and then you can start using that in your editor. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.